Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV, and on the show tonight we're discussing the implications of cousins Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray sharing the stage after 2 decades, coming together after 20 years. This marks a paradigm shift, or does it, in Maharashtra's politics? The event was called Awaz Marathicha, Voice of the Marathi, and it was the first time since 2005 that the cousins who've been embroiled in a bitter legacy battle after Bala Saheb, that they came together in a show of unity. This as the Maharashtra government scrapped 2 GRs to introduce Hindi as a third language in the state under the new education policy. So that was the trigger that really brought the cousins together. Raj Thackeray even had a jibe for Devendra Fadnavis, saying that Fadnavis achieved what Bala Saheb Thackeray could not. Remember, Bala Saheb did want to bring the cousins together. Uddhav Thackeray on his part declared from the stage that one thing is clear: we have removed the distance between us, we have come together, we will stay together. But just what does this mean? If they're coming together on an issue, does it mean they're coming together in an alliance politically? And what does that mean then for the larger grouping of the Maha Vikas Aghadi? Now, on the stage today during the event, as you can see there was a special guest, NCP leader Supriya Sule. Congress, however, was conspicuous by its absence. So that is what we're going to be talking about later in the show. But first, let's take a look at some of the statements made from the stage.
आज जवळपास 20 वर्षानंतर मी आणि उद्धव आम्ही एका व्यासपीठावरती आज येतो आहोत. जे माननीय बाळासाहेबांना जमलं नाही, जे अनेकांना जमलं नाही, आम्हाला दोघांना एकत्र आणायचं, ते देवेंद्र फडणवीसला जमलं.
कार्यक्रमाची घोषणा झाल्यानंतर साहजिकच आहे सगळ्यांचं लक्ष हे आज भाषणाकडे आहे. पण वैयक्तिक मला असं वाटतं की आज आमच्या भाषणांपेक्षा आमचं एकत्र दिसणं हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. पण एक गोष्ट नक्की की आमच्या दोघांमध्ये जो काही अंतरपाठ होता तो आनाजी पंतांनी दूर केला. आता अक्षता टाकण्याची काय तुमच्याकडनं अपेक्षा नाहीये. एकत्र आलोय एकत्र राहण्यासाठी.
पहिल्यांदा तर मी राज ठाकरेंचे आभार मानतो की त्यांनी या ठिकाणी 2 बंधू एकत्रित येण्याचं श्रेय मला दिलं. श्रद्धेय बाळासाहेबांचे आशीर्वाद हे मलाच मिळत असतील. पण मला असं सांगण्यात आलं होतं की विजय मेळावा होणार आहे, पण त्या ठिकाणी रुदालीचं भाषण देखील झालं आणि मराठीबद्दल एक शब्द न बोलता आमचं सरकार गेलं, आमचं सरकार पडलं, आम्हाला सरकारमध्ये द्या, आम्हालाच निवडून द्या. हा मराठीचा विजय उत्सव नव्हता, ही रुदाली होती. त्या रुदालीचं दर्शन ते त्या ठिकाणी आपण घेतलेलं आहे. मुळात त्यांना असूया आहे की 25 वर्ष महानगरपालिका त्यांच्याकडे असताना दाखवण्यालायक ते काहीच काम करू शकले नाहीत. पण मोदीजींच्या नेतृत्वात आम्ही ज्या प्रकारे मुंबईचा चेहरा बदलवला, त्यांच्या काळामध्ये मराठी माणूस मुंबईतनं हद्दपार झाला. आम्ही पीडीडी चाळीतल्या मराठी माणसाला, पत्रा चाळीतल्या मराठी माणसाला, अभ्युदयनगरच्या मराठी माणसाला हक्काचं मोठं घर हे त्याच ठिकाणी दिलं, याची असूया त्यांच्या मनामध्ये आहे. पण मी नेहमी सांगतोय, पब्लिक है सब जानती है.
ये जो मेलावा था मराठी भाषा के संदर्भ में, सिर्फ राज साहब ठाकरे जी ने जो भाषण किया उसमें मराठी का मुद्दा था, लेकिन उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने जो भाषण किया उसमें मराठी का मुद्दा नहीं था. वो हार गए हैं. उनकी जो दुख है, वो जो सल है, वो उनके भाषण में दिख रही थी. जो नतद्रष्ट जैसी उनकी जो वर्तणूक है वो आज के मेलाव में दिखी. मराठी का मुद्दा कुछ भी नहीं था. मैं अभी हार गया हूँ, मुझे अब राज ठाकरे की जरूरत है, राज ठाकरे मेरे साथ आना चाहिए. ये मेलावा सिर्फ मुंबई के इलेक्शन के नहीं, तो सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शन के लिए है, ये उन्होंने आज कबूल किया.
Well, let's now go across to our guest to talk more about the implications of the coming together of the Thackeray cousins. We're joined by Shaina NC, Leadership Sena, Shinde, Akhil Chitre, Leadership Sena UBT, and Daniel Francis, a political analyst. Thank you so much all for joining us. And first, I'd like to start with you, Shaina NC, before we get into the larger issue of what this coming together of the cousins means, but also this image, this symbolism, this picture of Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray together, of the cousins Amit and Aditya together. This is something that your party would be watching very closely. It's not something you would like very much, given the kind of resonance this would have with the voters in the state, with the voters in Mumbai.
Firstly, Gargi, let me please say that you talk about Thackeray brothers, but today it's the politics of performance. If you perform, you will be elected. If it's just positioning, let me please first highlight that the legacy of Hindu Hriday Samrat Adarnya Balasaheb Thackeray has been lost moons ago, because the day Uddhav Thackeray chose to align with the Congress and NCP, it just shows you they were devoid of any ideology. Today, there was no mention at all on the issues concerning the interests of the Marathi people and this so-called promotion of their selves vis-a-vis the Marathi language. There was no mention at all of Marathi people, and I think the fact that you had only sarcasm, jest, and no vision plan is testimony to the fact that both the Thackeray brothers are making a desperate attempt to use Marathi language and to use Marathi people for their front of their political gains. Now, if you look at this event objectively, and as somebody who's lived in Maharashtra, what are the first things that come to your mind? Uddhav Thackeray ji did not apologize for making, when he was the chief minister, the GR, for making Hindi compulsory from class 1 to class 12. But instead, he tried to make it a blame game. We are certain that this is an alliance only before elections. Our leader, Eknathji Shinde, has proven time and again, whether it is the Vidhan Sabha elections where we fought 80 seats and 160, that this is the man who is going to lead Maharashtra in the days to come under the garnish, the leadership of Devendra Fadnavis, but just one limited point.
Sure.
You remember in 2014, Uddhav Thackeray struck an alliance with BJP. After that, in 2017 municipal corporation elections, what did he do? He broke the alliance. 2019, again, he did the same thing with the BJP and reformed, took the votes on the name of Prime Minister Modi, and then betrayed people, and then said that now he will form an alliance with the anti kind of Hindu Congress. Now, again, Uddhav Thackeray has reached out to Raj Thackeray. What does this show? This is a clear characteristic of a chameleon, as opposed to our Pushpa, who won 2022 in Pushpa 1, 2024, Pushpa 2, and now you will see Pushpa 3. This is the ideology and the legacy of Hindu Hriday Samrat Adarnya Balasaheb Thackeray, which stands for the Marathi Asmita, the Marathi Bhasha, and the Marathi Manus.
Right, I've noticed the Shiv Sena, Shinde is being rather soft against Raj Thackeray vis-a-vis Uddhav Thackeray. But Akhil Chitre, your comments on what Shaina NC has said, and also the question of what does this now mean for the larger political grouping of the MVA?
If anyone over here is chameleon, then it is Mr. Eknath Shinde, because Eknath Shinde, the leader of Shah Sena, he, I think, had problems with Uddhav Thackeray. He had clearly stated that Uddhav Thackeray ji is in alliance with NCP and with Congress, and I have to sit along with people like Ajit Pawar. But now if you see, gradually, it's on record, now they are together. Now what has happened? There were allegations, there were blames from all the Shah Sena members who fled away to Surat, and then afterwards they just formed a government and all. So their allegations were that Ajit Pawar was not giving them funds. So now what happened? Secondly, if you see, Bharatiya Janata Party always claiming that Shiva Sena has gone with Congress. Now if you see that Bharatiya Janata Party's full form is now Bharatiya Jamwa Party, which just collect someone from all together from other parties. And if you see who are sitting on the front row of BJP right now, they are all from Congress and NCP. So have they got the right to blame us? And secondly, today is a very happy day for us, for all the Maharashtrian people who are staying here, who love Maharashtra, the Marathi people.
Right.
And you can see that across the streets of Mumbai, you could see that thousands of people had gathered there at
Right,
at
but
the
Akhil
Dome
Chitra,
Varli
you're not
over there.
answering my question about what does this mean for the Mahavikas Aghadi when Uddhav Thackeray says that now we have come together, we're going to stay together. Are we staying together on this issue of Marathi and Hindi imposition? Are we staying together for the BMC elections, or are we staying together now as are we staying together politically? And then what about the MBA? Also, as I pointed out there, Supriya Sule looked very happy on the stage there. She even brought the cousins Amit and Aditya together, but there was no Congress representation on the stage.
So let me answer you particularly. This issue when both the brothers came together, both the party leaders came together, was for the reason of Hindi imposition through NEP, National Education Policy. The Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra was trying to impose Hindi in Maharashtra, stating that it is laid down in the National Education Policy. Whereas, if you go through point 4.12 in the National Education Policy, there is nowhere it is written that Hindi or third language has to be enforced from
So
first
you're
time.
saying that this
It has to
coming
be
together,
enforced from
this-
5th to 6th.
That this tie-up,
So
this sharing of
This
stage was only on the
GR
issue
of
of
making
language.
Hindi compulsory from class 1 to 12
All right.
was when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief
We're not
minister.
getting into the nitty-gritties of the language issue here, more about the larger issue of what this means for political alliances in the state. And Daniel Francis, come in here. What did you feel seeing the Thackeray cousins together, all this talk of now we are together? Uddhav Thackeray said we've come together, we're going to stay together, and what this means for the larger political grouping.
I think we need to understand what's happening after 2014, after the BJP came to power. Between 2009 and 2014, Shiv Sena was almost dead. It was a party, it was in bad shape. If not for the BJP or Narendra Modi or the revival of the BJP, allies like Shiv Sena would not have had a comeback the way they had a comeback in 2014. But Shiv Sena had a problem with the BJP because they couldn't accept the fact that the BJP was now a stronger, more dominant party. The party that they dealt with, or the party that Balasaheb Thackeray dealt with, is not the same party that they can deal with. And till for 5 years, they had a relationship, a rocky one. And Uddhav Thackeray kept on experimenting till 2019 when he formed a government with the Congress. Claiming the chief ministership because it is he who thought that the Hindutva narrative is something that he drives in Maharashtra, not the BJP. 2024, we see that people have voted overwhelmingly to the BJP and their partner in Shri Eknath Shinde, also benefiting Ajit Pawar in a big way. And a massive victory. It's a massive victory and massive rejection of the Congress party and the Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar, the unholy alliance that a post-poll alliance that had been formed in 2019. But my simple point is this: that Uddhav Thackeray understood in 2019 less than 9% vote share, Raj Thackeray 1.6% vote share, that this is now going down the drain, and we have to do something to come together to save our own legacy, our own place and own position. Maharashtra has moved forward. Maharashtra has voted for Shiv Sena as Eknath Shinde. They have given a full thumbs up to his leadership, and he became extremely popular. They ran campaigns against him, but they could not defeat him. He became a very popular chief minister. On the contrary, both the Thackeray brothers are struggling. So they have no choice but to come together. This is like family reunion, house of cards put together. So it's very confusing to understand now what is going to happen. But Raj Thackeray was not committed on an alliance or a strategy on how to go forward. In fact, he's made an interesting statement with Uddhav Thackeray that people are not here to, here to listen to our speeches. They are here to see us together, because he knows that Raj is a better orator than him. And why did Raj go out of the party? Because Raj was more charismatic. Raj was more accepting. this is a very dangerous
So Raj
experiment
has
for
not
the-
managed to make that kind of political impact. You just spoke about
Gargi,
his
in
vote
one
share. He does,
sentence-
of course, get the imagination. Yes, many people come to his rallies. As he said, he's an orator. But it hasn't really translated into votes. But on the
Votes.
other side, he has a percentage of the vote share, which could come in helpful in the upcoming BMC elections. Akhil Chitre, your response to what Daniel Francis is saying, this is a matter of survival for the Shiv Sena.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to answer Mr. Daniel. I respect his views. It may be his own views, but I would just like to clarify one thing over here. He stated that in 2014, because of BJP, Shiv Sena could survive. I just want to point this out that in 2014, they had split it, and Uddhav Thackeray ji had got 63 MLA seats on his own. He was fighting the battle on his own. So it was not on BJP's help, but BJP after that entered into an alliance with Shiv Sena. So that is a little bit fact which the country needs to know.
I'm talking
should not
about
go
the
wrong.
Lok Sabha. I'm talking about the Lok Sabha alliance that helped you win 23 Lok Sabha seats that delivered 63 assembly seats. Okay,
Mr.
just
Daniel,
get the
it helps.
facts right.
It helped both of them.
Yeah.
It is vice
Yeah.
versa. They were in an alliance. so
BJP
it
was a
helped
very
both of
big
them.
party even then, double your size.
See,
And it was
Bharatiya
a
Janata
Modi
Party,
charisma.
Bharatiya
It
Janata
was a
Party, when it
Hindutva
started
wave.
in Maharashtra.
All right,
Which-
Shaina
which-
and
May I
you
come
also
in?
come in here. I'd like to
Yeah,
ask
can
you,
I
it
say
does
something?
seem that the Shiv Sena Shinde is being a little soft on Raj Thackeray. We've also seen the Gundagardi, by his men, and even there, even though action has
Absolutely
been
not.
promised, nothing has been done. You put out a post also where, you seem to be praising Raj Thackeray and, belittling Uddhav Thackeray in this social media post.
No, absolutely not. In fact, we have condemned the violence in the name of language pride, but stressed that Marathi is clearly central to our own state's identity, and our own leader, Eknathji Shinde, has made it amply clear. In fact, he opposed the compulsory Hindi policy, highlighting Marathi pride and the identity as a non-negotiable. It was Shindeji's stand that contributed to the government's decision to withdraw the Hindi mandate, which reflected not just the party's viewpoint, but our viewpoint and our commitment to the Marathi Manus. Now, if you look at what is the current scenario, you have two brothers who are trying to emerge or resurrect, let me use the right word, resurrect their own political status in a state where they're almost oblivious. Now, you know that these elections are round the corner. The fact that they have chosen to hit on the streets and literally use their clout in thuggery is not something which is acceptable to the voter today, Gargi. Please understand that both leaders have been rolling, talking about Hindi imposition. But what is the core language of Maharashtra's educational policy has been a balanced approach throughout. And it has always been, whether it's the Narendra Jadhav committee, which is going to take all stakeholders and make sure that Marathi is
All right.
number one, because that is the demand and the calling of Eknathji Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar.
All right, we seem to have lost Akhil Chitre there, but I have to wrap this up now. Daniel Francis, final comment from you regarding what do you see now in this, political landscape of Maharashtra, which is already a little bit confusing with the two NCPs and the two Shiv Senas, and now you have, the Raj Thakray's outfit also in the fray?
See, the opposition space is looking more unorganized, more confused, more not ready to take on the BJP Shiv Sena alliance in Maharashtra. This is hardly going to impact the fortunes of the BJP-led alliance in the state. People, demographic, city, culture, language, preferences have changed a lot in this city. And workers might be happy that these two brothers are come together. But after 20 years, it was like a strange reunion. Imagine this Aditya and Amit must be 10-year-old. When they separated, they are suddenly put together.
All right.
It's
Gargi,
not going to
in
work
one
out. This
line-
kind of politics that I'm not here to celebrate your family's fortunes. I'm here to celebrate my own victories. Common people want justice, they want peace, they want prosperity. Language doesn't feed this. They have pride for their language, and art, language, culture, is something that has always
All
taken a
right.
center stage in
Gargi,
politics,
in
but
one line,
necessarily
hum
not the
aapke
thing that will
saath-
shake mountains.
Yes,
in
China.
one line, Gargi, this hum aapke saath hai, the question will be after the election, hum aapke hain kaun? Because this has been
a little
standard
bit of
practice.
Bollywood dialogue there. After
Why
all, we are
not?
talking about Mumbai, and Akhil Chitre back with us. Please, final word to you, Akhil, about what does this now mean for the political landscape there in Mumbai, and whether this this grouping is going to be something we'll see long term. That was the original question.
Yeah, surely it will be long term. And
Okay.
BJP and Shah Sena, as from morning, they have been targeting in different fashions because they are so frightened, and they are using some political analysts also on different channels to propagate their agenda. But it's going to be a total failure. And these brothers have come together after a long time, and this bonding is going to go a long way. And the way Eknath Shinde has behaved, like hum hai rahi pyar ke with Bharatiya Janata Party. Let us see how long this relation goes on.
All right, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you so much all for joining us.